Hi everyone, my name is Timo, and I'm here to teach you about what causes earthquakes and how to protect you from earthquakes. So what causes earthquakes? It happens when two blocks of Earth's crust slips past each other. The place where this happens is called a fault. So these are the crusts, and this is the fault. Because the blocks do not slide easily, a large amount of energy is released when they move. This ripples away like waves on the pond, shaking the ground above. So it's rippling here. These lines are the ripples. And shaking ground above. I'll show you. See? These are the buildings, and yeah. And now let's flip to the other side. Earthquakes. Best place to stay in earthquakes. Basements. But if you don't have a basement, well, you can go in a bathtub too. Ring of fire. Most earthquakes in the world. So the red one is the Ring of Fire, and it's on the Pacific Ocean. And the Ring of Fire is the most place that has earthquakes in the world. And that's all for today. And if you have any questions, you could just ask me. Bye!